king on the sun. Can't mess with the sun, me I'm raw. Solar base queen, only one of my kind. Call me sugar, I'm refined, I'm the mother of the sun. Language of the stars, I am fluent. Manifest quick, by the minute, nothing to it. Oceans, I empower, I influence. Effortlessly, I just do it, nothing to it, I influence.
Thank you so much for coming to our first year anniversary. We are really proud of the safer space of our community that is making the space safer for everyone. Thank you for the team.
The things I associate with BIWOC Rising are community, passion and creativity.
Adventure, warmth, wonder.
Community, Sicherheit, Spaß.
BIWOC Rising for me means really coming together in community and having so many encounters with people where I'm like, oh, it's so amazing. And a lot of education as well, like pushing my boundaries of like unlearning and going into new fields. You come here, you work, but you also get to have those moments of actual rest where you don't have to stay like on edge like this whilst you're talking and hoping nobody's gonna ask that question that you really don't want them to ask. Because it's gotta put you in the spot. In a way here, emotional labor feels safe. BIWOC Rising is super important to me because I feel like I can just be free from all the everyday struggles and everyday stress, and I can just be fully myself.
I am the one chosen by life. I am the one igniting the
1 year of awakening.
1 year of courage, vulnerability, deconstructing.
1 year of feeling at home, reconnecting, finding a safer space that I can build with others.
I hope we can continue to flourish and grow, and hopefully there will be more BIWOC Risings everywhere.
I am the one chosen by life. I am the one igniting the sun. Solar based queen, I'm the renaissance. Manifest quick, it is dangerous. Come from afar, gonna go far. Land on the moon, head to the sun. Solar based bliss all around us. No searching for peace, let it find us.